flavor?
Sour cream.
Sour cream. Tapos ate, wait lang po. Pwede po ba mo sa video mo? Birthday po kasi ng mga kapatid ko. Babati mo lang nila. Saglit lang po.
Okay lang?
Okay lang ba? Sige po.
Bibigyan ko po kayo.
Apo. Okay naman sasabihin mo? Hindi. Happy birthday, Ayla! Sige, ikaw muna. Ikaw muna.
Ayun, good luck sa college. I hope pumasa ka. I mean, ano talaga?
Ayun lang din.
Birthday!
Yun lang din sa akin. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging okay ka sa college. Tuloy-tuloy mo yan. Pursue mo lahat ng passion mo. Yung tech na passion yan. So, good luck. Good luck lagi sa lahat. Maging mabait ka lagi. Always be kind. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Ella. More birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayla!
Enjoy your everyday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Kumain ka hanggat gusto mo.
Oo nga!
Meow, 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 meow. Happy birthday, Ayla. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday sa my cousin, the debutant, Ayla. Happy 18th birthday, Ayla. 18 ka na ngayon. Ang bilis ng panahon. Tumatanda na talaga ako. 18 ka na eh. So ayun, ang wish ko lang sana mag-iingat ka palagi sa pagpasok mo at pag-uwi mo galing sa school. Kahit alam kong hinahatid sundo ka naman ni Tita Jo. Pero ayun, mag-iingat palagi. Wish ko din sa'yo to continue to pursue your dreams. Lalo ngayon nasa college ka na. Hindi na lang to basta simpleng pag-aaral kundi laban na sa pangarap. So advice lang ni Sir, keep chasing your dreams, adja fighting. Mabilis lang ang panahon. Darating din yung time na magsusuot ka na ng itim na toga, magmamarcha ka na, at lahat ng sleepless night, exerted efforts mo, it will paid off soon. So alam kong kaya mo yan. Laban lang, nandyan naman palagi si Tita Jo, si Tita Ernie, si Kuya mo, para gabayan at supportahan ka. Huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob. Talagang mahirap ang college, pero keep going, fighting lang. Maraming taong naniniwala sa'yo, susuporta at magmamahal sa'yo. So, ayun, laban lang. Wish ko din sa'yo good health. Nakikita ko yung mga artworks mo, grabe, ang galing, ang ganda. Ang usay ng kamay mo, sobra. Namana mo talaga yan kay Lolo Egay. So, ayun lang, Ayla, happy birthday ulit. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Whenever you need help, nandito lang si Sir. Chat mo lang ako kapag kailangan mo ng tulong, advices. Happy 18th birthday, Ayla. Love you always. Love ka ni Sir palagi. And
Hello Ayla, happy 18th birthday. May this year bring you endless joy, incredible adventures, and success in all your endeavors. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Ayla! Hope your special day is a wonderful as you are. Happy birthday, God bless you, I love you.
Hi Ayla, Tito Arnold mo to. Happy 18th birthday. Ang saya naman, dalagang-dalaga ka na. Syempre ang wish ko sa'yo good health. I-bless ka pa ni God ng maraming at syempre lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad mo. Okay? Always be a good girl. Makinig ka lagi sa nanay at tatay mo and mag-aral mabuti. I-bless ka palalo ni God. Okay? So again, happy birthday.
Okay. Pancake. Nice. So, ano man sasabihin niyo sa birthday ni Ayla? Sana pakainin mo pa ako. Ano ka na sasabihin mo kay Ayla? Sana, wag mo na akong matapakan. Ikaw po, Pancake. Sana paliguan mo na ako palagi. Mga doggy. Oy. Nice! Pancake! Pancake! Ayaw nyo naman tumingin eh.
Happy birthday!
Nakasunod!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ayla!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Tita Ayla!
Tita Ayla Queen!
Happy birthday, Ayla! I miss you this little.
And you know, Sam always said that Teacher Sam always said that she always loves you as well. So happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
We're at her favorite beach. She's here. Bye! Miss you. We love you.
Hi Ila, happy birthday. I wish you well. Now that you are an adult, dapat mas responsible ka na, magpakatatag ka sa lahat ng pagsubok na pwede mong pagdaanan. Huwag ka susuko, sundin mo lang yung pangarap mo. Ayan, chat ng chat sini ng Oli. Alright. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ila. Happy birthday, Ila. Happy birthday.
Hiya, EJ! Happy birthday! 18 years ago? My golly. Ang bilis ng panahon. 18 years ka ng baby girl ng Gachi. Hope you enjoy your day. Maraming adulting. Maraming nakakaiyak. Pero tawanan mo na lang, sanay ka na dyan eh. You have been a joy, not just by your mere name, but your laughter, nakakahawa yun. Tama yun. Tsaka, huwag kang ma-stress sa mundo. Marami pa kayong matitikmang ganyan. Mararanasan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, God will provide you and keep you sa lahat ng pangarap mo, naway matupad, at sa lahat-lahat ng pagpapaganda. My gosh, ang dami nyo nang alam. Batang-bata pa lang kayo. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Dahil marami pang darating sa inyo. Masusurprise ka na lang. Nasa pagdadala yan. Hope you enjoy your day and more 18 years to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Ayla.
Yeah.
Your
Happy
turn.
birthday, Ate Ayla. Hope you enjoy your birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray!
Happy birthday, Ila! 18 ka na. Kala ko 16 lang. More blessing, good health, and happiest birthday every year. From Lola Vic.
Hello, Ayla! Happy 18th birthday! Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko sa iyo at pinagpe-pray ko, sana ay makatapos ka na yung pag-aaral at maging matagumpay. Bye-bye!
Hi Ayla, happy birthday! Mag-aaral ka mabuti na nga. Huwag ka munang paliligaw. Be a good girl sa parents mo, sa kuya mo. Huwag mo sila pababayaan. Kaya meron ka at ingatan mo sarili mo. Lagi ka magpipray. Lag kita na. Yun na lang. Okay? Happy birthday and more birthday to come.
Hi Ayla, happy birthday. Legal ka na. Tara bar. I just want to say, if you have any problems, just come and tell your cousins we're here for you always. Ayan. O kaya sige, go. I-rant mo na lang yan sa IG story mo. I-CF mo yan. Anyways, ima-manifest na din kita na magkaroon ka na ng jowang bet na bet mo. Ganyan. Hey! Say thank you. Charot. Happy birthday. Love you so much. Mama. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ayla. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung pagiging adults mo. Hindi ka na minor. So, pwede ka nang uminom legally. Tapos, pwede ka na ding makulong. Yun lang, kakauwi ko lang. Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday! I love you so much, much, much.
Ayla, happy birthday. May your day be filled with love and happiness. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Hi Ayla, enjoy your day and happy birthday. Joy.
First things first, happy birthday. Second is, I hope the food is good. Third is,
Pala si Perks, no?
we could see you again.
Surprise.
That's great.
Roamer pala si Perks.
Huwag ka magulo! Happy birthday, Ayla.
Happy birthday, Ayla. I'm so sorry for the kalat and everything, but I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I hope you're doing well, and I know that you'll make your parents and family proud always, and stay safe and stay humble, and more opportunities to come. I know you will slay all of them. So happy birthday. Your life is still long, so enjoy every moment and enjoy everything that will come to you. Yun lang. Hang out uli soon sa inyo. Sa birthday uli na kuya mo. Joke. Ayun, happy birthday uli. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Ayla. Happy 18th birthday. It's your special day. Enjoy! Dream big. Reach your goal. Always be positive. Love your parents more. Sometimes, failure is part of success. Embrace it, move on, and fly high. Continue to pray, to be spiritually guided. So, enjoy and be happy always.
JD Santos, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, and I'll see you when I see you. Have a good one. Bye.
Hi baby. Happy birthday.
Nagulat ka ba sa mga bumati sa'yo? Wait, there's more. So, eto kami na yun ng daddy mo. Yung more. Nung time na nalaman ko na buntis ako, alam ko na girl na yun eh. Basta alam ko yung feeling na girl na siya. So, sabi ko, tama-tama, boy and girl. So, yun, nung lumabas nga siya, sobrang cute na baby. At, syempre, hanggang ngayon ay sobrang cute pa rin naman at kinaaaliwan. Tama ba ako? Sa mga nanonood dyan. So, si Ayla is lumaking mabait. Syempre, masunuri naman yan kahit papano. Nagpapasalamat ako na si Ayla ay, yun nga, lumaki siya mabait, appreciative. So, thank you for being you, Ayla. Dahil sobrang na-appreciate mo kahit ano yung nare-receive mo, at saka alam mo yung wants versus needs. So, hindi ka naman mapilit pagdating sa ganung bagay. At alam naman namin kung ano talaga yung needs, yung kailangan naming i-provide para sa inyo ng kuya mo. And thank you dahil naging maayos kang bata. And alam naman natin na hindi ka sa mga house chores dahil pinalaki rin naman kita na hindi masyadong tutok sa mga gawain bahay, pero marunong. Kasi lumaki rin ako na baby rin ako noon eh. So ganyan din, hindi rin ako masyadong sa gawain bahay, pero lumaki ako na nandito na ako sa age na to na nag-responsible ako. Natuto rin ako or alam ko on my own kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. Kasi by the time na nandun ka na sa stage na yon, ayoko na dumating yung time na kasawaan mo yung mga ganong klaseng bagay or gawain. So sa ngayon, para sa akin, ma-enjoy mo yung life mo and yung mga priorities mo para sa iyong future, tsaka yung mga goals mo, wish ko na matupad. And yung good future mo, syempre, yun ang ikaliligaya namin. So, yun.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayla. Ang aming baby girl. 18 na siya. Pero sa akin, siya pa rin ang aking baby girl. We love you very much and we thank the Lord na ikaw ang aming baby. Ikaw ang binigay kayo sa amin. Nagbibigay ng joy sa aking buhay. Sa aming buhay na nagmamahal sa iyo. Wish you all the joy and happiness in life. God bless. I love you very, very much, baby girl.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayla.
We love you.
We love you. Oh, yun lang. Sana mag-enjoy ka and yung mga wish mo, sana matupad din at aral ka lang mabuti. Dito kami palagi.
Oo. Sa mga success mo sa buhay at magiging success pa. Alam namin kaya mo lahat yan kasi ikaw ang nagiging lakas din namin sa pang-araw-araw namin buhay. Kaya nga Joy ang pangalan mo kasi ikaw ang nagbibigay ng joy sa amin. At sana din yung mga nag-greet sa iyo, nagustuhan mo. Kung meron pang susunod na ibang mag-greet sa iyo, ayun.
Wait, there's more. So yun na.
Sige. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Enjoy.
I love you. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ayla. Joy, gotcha yan, di ba? Happy 18th. Sabi nga milestone to para sa isang babae. You are now a woman, so with responsibilities. Empower mo ang iyong skills and God-given talents. And I will always pray for your good health, especially for you and the entire family na through the years, andito kayo sa puso ko. At mananatili yun habang ako ay nandito. Praying for your success, of course, sa pag-aaral mo and in the future endeavors pa sa iyong buhay. Basta lagi kang magdadasal, don't always pray, and pray to God for His grace and mercy para sa iyo at sa buong pamilya mo. Lagi yung family. Love for the family. Happy birthday! 18th mo na! Say, go girl! Love you!
Hello, Ate Ayla. It's me, Nimbus Cloud Dog. I just want to wish you a super happy 18th birthday. All the best in this new chapter of your life. Nimbus.
Ayla, happy birthday. I know you're 18 years old and that's one of the most magical times in a woman's life. So, enjoy the journey. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ayla and Mommy Joanne. Ayla, happy birthday sa'yo. Naku, ayan, dalaga ka na ha. You're finally 18, so make smart choices and be happy. I hope lahat ng mga gusto ng puso mo ay matupad. Huwag kang magsashabu. Baka alam isipan mo bigla. Huwag kang mag-illegal drugs. Huwag ka rin magsusugal. Ayan, magmahal ka lang lagi. Sana mag-meet tayo someday. Makapunta kayo sa Basta kapag meron kaming live recording. Ayan. I love you. Thank you for listening sa Ang Walang Kwentang Podcast. Happy birthday!
scared kasi alam ko kaya mo yan. And just ko, know na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, Ayla. And ayun, I wish you all the best in life. I heard na nagdidirect ka na ako ng theater. And I also saw all your drawings sa Instagram, ha? In fairness to you. So keep up the good work. Sorry, bakit? At sorry, may ingay, no? Nasa CR talaga ako with my daughter right now, kaya echoey yung boses. Ngayon ko lang nasingit, I'm so sorry. Anyway, again, I hope you have a great day today and enjoy your birthday. Kumain ka ng lahat ng gusto mo, whatever, wag ka mag-calorie count. Okay, say happy birthday, Ate Ayla.
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla.
Ayun, hello! Bye-bye! Enjoy your day! Happy 18th!
Hello, Ayla. Happy 18th birthday. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa mo sa mundo para magkaroon ka ng sobrang napakabait at napakamahal kang nanay. Pero deserve mo yan. I hope to see you soon and or not. Depende sa mama mo kung papayagan ka. Happy birthday and I love you so much. By the way, this is Odasha. Ngayon na nagpakilala from Drag Race Philippines.
Hi Ayla, this is Taylor Shish. I just want to say a happy 18th birthday. I wish I was there to celebrate with you. And I hope you will have a great day in your special day. See you very soon and I love you.
Hi Ayla, it's me, Khaled Karen. Happy 18th birthday to you. And I'm so happy that you are supporting our local drag community. Thank you very much for watching Drag Race Philippines. And please continue supporting our drag artists because they are really excellent and world class. God bless you always, and I hope we see you in one of the viewing parties. Mwah.
Hi Ayla, it's Naiya and I want to wish you a very, very happy 18th birthday, girl. Happy debut. I hope that you have a very, very great day as you step into womanhood. Wow. I hope to see you again and thank you for enjoying my performances and loving drag. I hope that you continue to be a light to your family. Wow. And see you very soon. Happy birthday.
Time. Okay. Happy 18th birthday, Ayla. I hope you have a wonderful time. God bless you.
Sino si Ayla?
Siya ba yung kapitbahay namin?
Happy birthday!
Ganun
Birthday!
talaga.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayla! Sana masaya ka ngayong 18 ka dahil makakainom ka na ng legal, pero alam ko umiinom ka naman na dati. At sana kung magmamahal ka, sana sa hindi pabigat sa buhay. Happy birthday, Ayla.
Hi, Ayla. Happy 18th birthday. God bless you. Hope you're having a grand time today. Happy birthday.
Special birthday wishes just for you